It's time to check back in with Mike Everett and talk about how wet it's going to get this week. It's on the way.
Take it away.
Another one of Greg's deep sighs. Yes.
It's a medium sigh.
Well, you know what? And that's actually warranted. We are tracking a storm system moving through, but we decided not to issue a first alert for it because, first of all, it's winter. Second of all, it's the Pacific Northwest. And third, it's going to move through fairly quickly, but you will feel it tomorrow morning. Taking a live look at SeaTac right now, where things are looking fairly tranquil. We had a little bit of camera rock going there earlier. We'll get a lot more of that tomorrow. I'll show you that coming up in a second, but take a look at this. Already tracking some steady and heavy rain pushing in almost directly on the western edge of the Olympics there. As I pointed out many times, when you see those oranges and yellows there, that is heavy rain, especially the oranges, and it's just driving into the foothills there. Snow levels riding right around 4,000 feet, so not much of that converting over to snow, but that will change. In fact, take a look at this. Just after midnight tonight, you'll be seeing those snow levels dropping there and that rain continuing, and we'll start to see some of that snow flying in the mountains. In the short term, you should be fine to get over Snoqualmie Pass tonight and tomorrow morning. That will change tomorrow afternoon. This is right around 9 a.m. and yes, we will be seeing some steady snow up there, but the rain snow level is going to be right around the passes. So again, it shouldn't be too bad, but there will be some gusty winds and there will be some heavy rains, especially down towards the southern portion of the Olympics. But as I mentioned earlier, this thing is moving fast. By noon, most of that becomes steady, what's called stratiform rain, which is like actual rain instead of drizzle. And then by about 2:30, the frontal boundary is gone. Most of the moisture is gone with it. And now we've just got some strong convergence that has the potential to really drive some snow up Stevens Pass tomorrow afternoon into the evening and into Wednesday morning. Speaking of Wednesday morning, this is 12:30 in the morning. We'll continue to be tracking some spotty showers. This thing won't just turn off immediately, but by right around noon on Wednesday, it most definitely will. And then we'll just be tracking some tranquil conditions. Will not be tranquil tomorrow, though. As I mentioned earlier, you see those sustained winds in the 20 to 30 mile an hour range. We're looking at the potential of some gusts, especially along coastal Whatcom, Skagit County, off towards San Juan and Admiralty Inlet that could get up to about 50 miles an hour tomorrow. But as we saw last week, we're at that point in the season now where most of the stuff that's going to fall down has already done that. So there will be some spotty power outages, but not expecting anything major. We'll see that flow turn westerly or a little more zonal once the front is passed through. And by the time we get into Wednesday morning, everything calms down again. Snow levels, I put a little asterisk next to Tuesday here, and here's why. Tonight, riding around 4,000 feet. Again, above pass level, no worries. Tomorrow morning, 4,000 feet. It's after that front passes Tuesday afternoon that it plunges down to about 2 and stays down in that range both Wednesday and Thursday. So I kind of broke it down a little bit more. Tuesday, 4,000 feet, rain and wet snow, about 1 to 3 inches, gusty winds up to about 30. It's Tuesday afternoon and evening when that snow starts to stick and accumulate and those gusts get up to about 40. Please don't try to drive Snoqualmie Pass tomorrow night because, well, it's going to be a rough go. As far as the resorts go, they're going to do great, especially by the time we get to the end of Wednesday there. Stevens could get over 2 feet. Baker could be not far behind. Snoqualmie, Crystal, White Pass, Mission Ridge, everybody's going to do great from this one. 7-day forecast shows temperatures pretty steadily in the 40s throughout the day on Tuesday, and then we'll get clean up on Wednesday and then be rewarded with some tranquility and sunshine on Thursday.